We're home. Welcome to the business of storytelling. We're going to pop over to the content writing world today. This year, I've got a lot of writing on my plate. It's really amazing. I've got a system set up where I can, pretty easily pump out 33 articles a month, which is, I've done the math, it's like 45,000 words written every 30 days. Now, there's a system for this, and I'm going to share some of it with you today because it's not an easy thing to do, but it's something that can be done. I'm really grateful to have built this capacity of writing slowly over the years, and I'm going to share that system with you guys today. Six steps to writing better articles. So the first thing you've got to do is create a template to start with, especially if you're writing for the same client over and over again. This makes every future blog post or article much easier. Even if it takes you a little bit of time up front, it's going to save you a lot of time later. I'm going to pop in a little video right here showing you a template that I use. It's super simple. After you have your template, you want to continue with whatever the client gives you. You're going to pop that right into the template. And sometimes you get a lot of great background information. Sometimes you just get a keyword from the client and you have to go from that. But no matter how much you have, you've got to organize your template around the client information. So create that template and then insert all client instructions and information into it. Third, from all of that instruction and information, you're going to research. You're going to start searching those keywords that you're working with. You're going to find competitors' articles. These are the articles that you're working to outrank. You're in competition every time you write content, right? So healthy competition, we don't want to freak out about it, but you want to scan through other competitor articles, see how they're using the keywords, see how you can do a little bit better than they do, see what information they're providing to make sure whatever you write is going to exceed the quality of what's already out there. You want to do better than your competitors. That's why we call them competitors, because we're competing with each other. It doesn't have to be mean and scary, but we are trying to, do better each time we do something. And you want to write your article in a way that's not only going to beat them in quality, but it's going to beat them in the search results too. 4, use AI. There's no beating it. Find the way that works for you to be ethical in using AI. Find the way that works for the client. Be upfront in talking about this with them. But there's no reason to just skip AI because it's scary or we're not sure exactly what to do with it. There's no shame in using this tool. Now, there is shame in passing off a completely AI written draft as your own, because that's not the quality that we're going for. But there's no reason that you shouldn't use AI to help you draft an outline or help you explain something or, just piece together little bits that you need. We're going to talk a lot more about AI this fall and AI writing tools just because it's such a topic in the zeitgeist. It's really blown up the writing world this year. And so this isn't my last word on AI, but I think that we should all as writers be exploring ways to use it ethically and honestly so that we're using it as a tool and not as a cop-out. Now that you've got a rough draft, detailed outline, something kind of strung together, it's time to shape the article. Now, this is the bulk of your writing and article creating. You want to take that AI created outline and make it into a keyword-rich, informative article that will speak directly to your specific audience and give them the information they need. There you go. We'll go into detail about a little more specifically that later in the semester, but the sixth tool today is a final grammar check, and this should definitely be outsourced to AI as your partner. My favorite grammar check is Grammarly, Listen, Grammarly is perfect for what I need. It finds all my typos. It cleans up that extra wordiness that sometimes I lean towards. Oops. And these 6 steps have really helped me shape and create solid drafts to send to clients in about 2 to 3 hours. So I hope these tips help you with content creation for yourself or your clients. Once you've got the basics, it only gets easier to pump out articles that are perfect for your clients, perfect for your audience, informative, keyword rich, and really bring something good to the internet, because golly, there's so much content out here. We want to be creating purposefully and intentionally. Thanks for tuning in this week to the Business of Storytelling, friends. I'm Caroline Cole. Thank you for coming, showing up each month to just improve your creative business and find ways to make money and live creatively in this wonderful, weird, wide world of the internet. If you haven't yet and you're interested in voice acting, while I do a lot of writing and provide a lot of advice for that on here, what I typically teach and coach is voice acting. So you can follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories, like, comment, subscribe. I love getting to know you guys, and I love connecting as fellow creative professionals across the interwebs. I'll see you throughout the week. Bye, friends.